Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing our newest listing here in Osprey, Cove. This is 8490 Kingbird, unit 944. This is a penthouse condo unit here. Let's run inside and take a look. So this home here is 2 bedrooms, 2 bath. When you come in directly to the right, this is your master bedroom here, big enough for a king-size suite. Then you have the his and hers type of closets, and the master bath here with the single sink, the commode, and then you've got a standalone shower right here. Coming back into the main entryway, directly across from the master is your guest bedroom. So your guest bedroom sits right up here, and then you have the bifold style closet door. Right off the guest bedroom is the guest bath. So you've got the singular sink, the commode, and then you have the combination tub and shower in this bathroom. Right across from the master and in the hallway here is your dedicated laundry space. So you got a full-size washer and dryer with some additional storage above. And then this opens up into a nice great room living space here. So directly to my left, this is really more of your dedicated dining space here. Then it opens up into the kitchen. You've got stainless appliances, wood cabinets, corian countertops. This is your eat-in kitchen area here, overlooking your views with a nice bay window. And then your kitchen overlooks your living room space here. Last but not least, we have the views here. So you've got some amazing views from this top floor unit here. Directly across, you have a view of the community pool, the huge lake with the water fountain feature as well. Beautiful views from this unit here. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.